Hey guys, and welcome to a HTML tutorial part 12. We're going to be learning about outputting a video to the web browser using a YT video, which is a YouTube video in our website, and putting in a thumbnail. So let's output some videos onto the web browser. So here we are on Sublime Text, and I made a new file for the video, so then it's a better way to represent, or like you could see the video. So let's go through the first one. So let's just fill these in first. So let's just write videos here, and then like the header, and then write videos. So just save, refresh, then as you can see here, it will save videos right there. So so in the body tag. So between the body tag, you could just write. So let's just first write video. So let's get rid of that. Then write source, and then we want to. And for the first bit, we want to get the file from the desktop. So if I go on HTML, cool. So I got a sample video and thumbnail right here. So let's just get that video into the web browser. So let's just first, as we're in the same folder, we could just write sample video and thumbnail, and then slash, then so I put sample video and thumbnail, then HTML tutorial part 4. So we could just right here slash HTML tutorial part 4 mp4 right here. Then if you just save, refresh, then this time, yeah, it will show up. So it looks a bit big, but here it is right there. So we could adjust it so then it's really small. So we could so here we could just simply write width. Then we could do like 600. I think we have to put px. I don't think we need to. So we could just write here, say refresh, then it'll go back to a decent size right here. So as you could see here, you can't do anything, it only shows the thumbnail of it. So what we could do is just write, let's just extend this a bit. Then here we could just write controls. That's it, controls. Then that's all you need to write. So if we go save, refresh, then here we got the controls right here that we need to. Hey guys, yeah, so that's right there. So and welcome to a HTML. So you may or not hear it, but you know, that's the video right there. So we got the controls of it. So yeah, so that's that of tag right here. Then let's go through let's do. So we could also loop the video. So here we could just write loop. That's all you need. Then you don't need those. So just save, then refresh. Then right here, once we put save, then 01, then it'll go back. And welcome to a loop. Do it again without me pressing the pause. And welcome to a HTML tutorial part 4. So we'll be going through HTML paragraphs, so we could go through muted as well. So just we're gonna go through the HR, BR, and P, then here, and let's just save, then refresh. Then as you might know here. So I think we could. So yeah, so when we refresh it, it will just be on mute normally, but we could unmute it as well, make it full screen as well right here. So we could go through more of those attributes right here. So I got a link in the description down below. So I got this link here. So if we just copy and then go on Google, then paste in the link. So as you could see, there's more attributes right here. So let's go. So we could use some of it. So let's just do. We could do it unmuted. Oh, poster. So it's the thumbnail. So as you could see here, you could so right here when you only could see the
you only could see the first part. It's not a thumbnail, it was just part of a PowerPoint. So right here we could just write, so in the file explorer, if we go on desktop HTML course, then here the sample video thumbnail, so we could, there's my thumbnail right there. So here we could just write poster right here, poster right here, and then let's go into the sample video and thumbnail file. So I'm just gonna copy this right here, paste it, and then slash, then hit thumbnail HTML part 4. So we can just write thumbnail HTML part 4 right there. And then I think, let me just check the file, I think it was a PNG. It was a PNG right here. So if I just do dot PNG, then save, refresh, then here you can see the thumbnail, the exact same thumbnail that you could see, which is on the browser right here. So yeah, so if you just refresh it, so it'll be paused, you can see the thumbnail. Then once we play it, we just so you can see all these right here. So I think we went through autoplay. So once we refresh the web browser, it'll play automatically without pausing the play button. So right here, after your poster right here, we can just write was it autoplay. We don't need a speech mark, just refresh. Then here you could it'll just play by itself. You can see the thumbnail a bit, but as it's autoplay, you won't be able to see the thumbnail. So yeah, so that's autoplay done. What else do we? Hi, loop muted. So yeah, so technically we went through all of them. So now let's do a YouTube video. So if we go on YouTube right here, YouTube, and then search up let's just do like a sample video. So let's just take this video right here. Then as we want the video onto our browser, we could do press share. Then here it says embed. So let's embed it, and then here we could pick our preferences. So we could do start at a certain time, or we could show player, so enable private, so we could do all of this. But here you could copy the link right here, the bit of HTML right here. So just Control C. Then here if we just go down, so without the video source, so let's just exit out of here. So don't put in the video source, just do a few spaces, then just Control V. So that's the video right there. So if we just save that, refresh, then the video will come here with a YouTube video right here.
Johnson wants.
So yeah, the YouTube video is really simple, and yeah. So in this tutorial we went through the video source, the video, the controls, loops, the mute, posters, width. We didn't go through height, but so it's technically the same thing. So width, then autoplay, so we went through all that, and then putting in the YouTube video, which is really simple. So let's go into the HTML questions. So here are going to be the HTML questions. So number 1, does it automatically play the video? Number 2, what do you have to do when putting a YT video onto a website? And then number 3, what does it have to be? Why does it have to be an MP4 file? So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you answered all those questions. If you haven't, just pause the video before we get onto the answers. So now let's just get onto the answers right now.
So for the answers, number 1, no, it doesn't automatically play the video when there is no autoplay. Number 2, embed the video onto your browser. I mean, I probably meant onto Sublime Text and then output it onto the browser. And then number 3, all web browsers can access the video such as Safari. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And this is the final HTML tutorial, and we're going to be starting CSS maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So thank you for completing this course. So